Every time you click send on an email, stream a video, or make an online purchase, your data travels through networks that hackers are constantly trying to break into. What if I told you that without network security, everything you do online, every password you type, every message you send could be intercepted, stolen, or manipulated? Sounds terrifying, right? Well, that's exactly why network security exists, and understanding it might be the most important tech lesson you'll ever learn. Think about your company's network for a second. It's like a highway system where data constantly flows. Emails, files, video calls, database queries, all traveling at lightning speed. Now imagine that highway has no traffic lights, no security checkpoints, and no police. Chaos, right? That's a network without security. Here's the scary reality. Hackers aren't just sitting in dark rooms trying random attacks. They're constantly probing networks, looking for weak spots, outdated systems, misconfigured settings, anything they can exploit. And once they find a way in, they can steal your data, shut down your operations, or hold everything hostage for ransom. So what exactly is network security? It's the practice of protecting your network infrastructure and the data flowing through it from unauthorized access, misuse, and cyber threats. Why should you care? Because networks are the backbone of modern business. Everything runs on networks. Your email, your customer database, your financial systems, your communications. If your network goes down or gets compromised, your entire business stops. The average cost of a network security breach runs into millions, but it's not just about money. A breach can destroy customer trust, result in legal penalties, expose trade secrets, and in extreme cases, put companies out of business permanently. Network security isn't just an IT concern, it's a business survival issue. Let me break down the main components that make network security work. Firewalls. Think of a firewall as a security guard at the entrance of your network. It examines all traffic coming in and going out, blocking anything suspicious based on predefined rules. If data doesn't meet security criteria, it doesn't get through. Modern firewalls are smart. They can inspect deep into data packets and identify threats that older systems would miss. Intrusion, detection, and prevention systems. These are like security cameras combined with alarm systems. IDS, intrusion detection systems, monitor network traffic for suspicious patterns and alert you when something looks wrong. IPS, intrusion prevention systems, go further. They don't just detect threats, they automatically block them before damage occurs. Access control. Not everyone should access everything on your network. Access control ensures people only see and use what they're authorized for. This includes user authentication, making sure people are who they say they are, role-based permissions, giving people access based on their job, and multi-factor authentication, requiring multiple proofs of identity before granting access. Encryption. When data travels across your network, encryption scrambles it into unreadable code. Even if hackers intercept the data, they can't read it without the decryption key. This is especially critical for sensitive information like passwords, financial data, and confidential communications. Virtual private networks, or VPNs. VPNs create secure, encrypted tunnels for data to travel through. This is essential for remote workers connecting to company networks from home or public Wi-Fi. The VPN ensures their connection is private and protected from eavesdropping. Network segmentation. Instead of having one big network where everything connects to everything, segmentation divides your network into smaller, isolated sections. If hackers breach one segment, they can't easily jump to others. Anti-malware and antivirus. These tools scan network traffic and endpoints for malicious software, viruses, trojans, ransomware, and more. They detect and remove threats before they can spread and cause damage. Security Information and Event Management, or SIEM. SIEM systems collect and analyze security data from across your entire network, giving security teams a centralized view of what's happening. They can spot patterns, detect anomalies, and respond to threats quickly. What are network security systems protecting against? Let me explain the main threats. Malware. Malicious software designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to systems. This includes viruses, worms, trojans, spyware, and ransomware. DDoS attacks. Distributed denial of service attacks flood your network with so much fake traffic that legitimate users can't access your services. It's like 1,000 people blocking the entrance to a store, so real, customers can't get in. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Hackers secretly intercept communications between two parties, eavesdropping or even altering the messages without either side knowing. SQL injection. Attackers insert malicious code into database queries through web applications, potentially giving them access to sensitive data or control over your databases. Password attacks. Hackers use various methods, brute force trying every possible combination, dictionary attacks using common passwords, or credential stuffing using passwords leaked from other breaches to break into accounts. Insider threats. Sometimes the danger comes from inside, employees, contractors, or anyone with legitimate access who misuses it, either maliciously or accidentally. Here's what you need to do to maintain strong network security. Regular updates and patching. Keep all systems, software, and security tools updated. Hackers exploit known vulnerabilities and patches fix them. Delaying updates leaves you exposed. Strong authentication. Enforce strong password policies and implement multi-factor authentication everywhere possible. This single step stops the majority of unauthorized access attempts. Continuous monitoring. Network security isn't set it and forget it. You need constant monitoring to detect threats early. Automated tools can watch 24/7 and alert you to suspicious activity. Security training. Educate your employees. Many network breaches start with a phished employee clicking a bad link. Awareness training dramatically reduces this risk. Regular security audits. Periodically test your network security through penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. Find your weaknesses before hackers do. Backup and recovery plans. Even with perfect security, disasters can happen. Regular backups ensure you can recover data if attacked. Store backups offline so ransomware can't encrypt them. Implement zero trust. Modern network security embraces zero trust principles. Never automatically trust anyone or anything on your network. Verify every access request continuously. Traditional network security was built for a different era, when everything was in one office building behind a firewall. Today's reality is different. Employees work remotely, applications live in the cloud, and the traditional network perimeter has dissolved. This is where modern solutions like Cato Networks' SASE platform come in. SASE, Secure Access Service Edge, combines network security with SD-WAN in a cloud-native platform. Instead of routing all traffic through a central data center for security inspection, security is delivered from the cloud, following users wherever they work. Cato provides comprehensive network security, firewall, IPS, anti-malware, secure web gateway, all integrated into one platform. It's network security designed for the modern distributed workforce. Here's the bottom line. Network security is the foundation of everything digital in your business. If this helped you understand network security, smash that like button and subscribe to FSD-Tech for more networking and cybersecurity.